Okay, today's day 3, the 7th of February. Chicken's still alive and well, wandering around here. Seems to have adapted fairly well to the area. Interesting things are the frying pan has been moved, and everything in the ice chest still seems to be there. Peanut butter. Okay, let me switch over. Okay, had to switch over to night shot. Because switch over from night shot. The peanut butter is gone, the whole jar. The frying pan's been moved. The ice chest was open, the latch was undone, but everything seems to be there. The hot dogs and the barbecue bones are all gone, and some of the barbecue napkins that I wiped barbecue sauce off are laying here on the ground. So I guess I gotta pull the different cards and see if there's anything on them. Okay, I hiked in here so that I could show you what's left of the root ball. You can see all the trees. These photos here show what the root ball nest looked like when we found it. First photo is the opening, second photo gives you a little closer idea of how well it's hidden, and the third photo is my son David checking the inside out for hairs and so forth. All the trees have been burnt, so forth. There's a little bit of green on that one, but most of it's been burnt, and that's what's left of the root ball nest. It burnt down pretty good. It's really too bad because this was quite a find. But it's all gone now. Okay. This next group of pictures shows you what it looked like when we found the grave, the open grave, the hole, the coffin-shaped holes, and the dirt piled up next to it. And the last picture is my son modeling the grave. It had the pine needles in the bottom of it for a cushion and so forth. It fit him almost perfectly. In fact, if he was to put his arms down along his side, that would have filled it up just exactly about his size. This is where the grave was, and it's completely gone. Pine needles back over it, stuff like that. If I didn't know that it was here before, I wouldn't even know it now. So did something get buried? I don't know. But it's gone. There were 2 piles of dirt, and they're gone. More push-up. I continue my hike and go to the area where the nest with the baby Bigfoot was found, and to my dismay it was gone. These photos are showing what the nest looked like when we found it, and we took some pictures of it and so forth, hung some cameras on it, and moved out so that we could possibly get some better footage with our game cameras. The following video shows you what the area now looks like. The nest is gone. That's the area where the pine needle nest was, and it's totally gone. Of course, I wouldn't expect it to be because it kind of was made out of pine needles, and that burns very, very well. Well, that brings us to the end of day 3, part 1. Coming up, day 3, part 2. Don't forget to check out our book, More Mogollon Monster, Arizona's Bigfoot, and you can get it at Amazon.com.